Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got in my spring FabFitFun box.
All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome to RIA'S World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it, so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video. And today I want to share with you guys what I got in my spring edition of my FabFitFun box. And that is such a tongue twister. So FabFitFun subscription boxes have been around a while. Oh my god, that's a tongue twister, guys. So it's been around a while, and I've been wanting to try the box itself. And I was so happy when they reached out to me and told me that they wanted to partner up with me and to send me their spring box so that I can kind of try it for you guys and share with you guys what I got. So I was so excited because I was going to buy the box itself on my own. So I was so happy that they were able to send it to me. So I'm going to quickly tell you what it is. Some people might not know what FabFitFun is. And so I have it right here. Let me pull it up because I don't want to get it like messed up of what it actually is. But basically it's a subscription box that you get not monthly, but you get 4 times a year. So it's every quarter. And they give you things that are worth over $200 worth of products in it. And they send you basically 8 to 10 full-size products that are worth about $200. Now they only charge you $49.99 every 3 months for this box, but the box is worth $200 itself. So one product in here that I'm going to show you could be like 40 bucks, and that's all you pay for the box. But they also gave me a coupon code to share with you guys that will get you guys $10 off, which I'll be sharing with you guys at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. So basically that's an overview. It's a subscription box that comes 4 times a year. You get 8 to 10 full-size like name brand products, and that are worth over $200 in this box. So let's just jump into this box and see what I got for springtime. I love the boxes, they're so cute. I already opened it because I could not wait to do it like an unboxing. I don't like to really do unboxings without knowing what's in it. So I already opened it, and plus I wanted to try the goodies myself. So it has like, this is how it looks on the inside. It's like this purple color. It's a huge box. And I just love the colors of it. And the first thing you get is there's a magazine always that comes with it, and in the magazine it tells you about the products itself. It also gives you like different tips, you know, women related tips on fashion, beauty, and they also, which you guys know if you follow my channel, I'm a crafter, I'm a DIYer, and so they even tell you, I think it was the second to the last page, it even shows you different crafts that you can do within the box. Like people have taken this box and created different like fun crafts to do with the box, because the box has such, you know, cute patterns on it that you can create things with it. So they even give you ideas on how to reuse your box, which I love because, you know, I'm a DIYer and I'm a crafter. And if you guys have been following my channel, you guys know that I love to DIY and reuse things. So I can't remember what page it was. I think it was the second to the last. Oh, it was the 20th page. So it would show you like different things that you can do with the box. It also gives you like your horoscope at the end of the magazine, and just a bunch of great ideas for, you know, just wellness and health and beauty. It has so much stuff within the magazine itself, so I love that the magazine has that. It also has, I guess they partner up with HelloFresh, so they also give you a coupon code for the meal kits, HelloFresh, so you get 9 free meals when you try them, because it comes with a card. It also has this Bite, something about Bite, a program of Bite. I guess some like things for, you know, dental, different things about that. And they also give you like a Bright Cellar Discover wine. You get $45 credit on this wine place. So they give you things within it besides the actual, you know, beauty products itself. So I love that. Also, I didn't mention, but you can actually customize your boxes now. Before, when FabFitFun came out, you couldn't do that. You just basically got what they sent you out. But now you can have it to where once you sign up for their subscription boxes, you can actually customize what you get every month. I didn't get to customize my box because they just, you know, when they do promotions like this to send us a box out, they just send us kind of like a box from the warehouse. So I didn't get to customize mine, but I still got a bunch of products that I was loving because I'm all about facial things, and they gave me a lot of facial products. But the one thing I did want to get that I didn't get was they had this beautiful palette. It was kind of like a contour and highlight palette that I really wanted to get, but I didn't get it in my box because, like I said, it was just a hand, you know, picked out warehouse one from them. But if you do sign up for the subscription boxes, you actually get to design your boxes now, which is great because they didn't do that before. So I'm going to be using my magazine right here to kind of tell you about each product that's sent into my box and kind of how much it is and a little overview of what it is. But if you want more, just look it up. I just don't want it to be a long video on all the products and stuff. I just kind of want to show you what I got. So this first thing that I saw was the Aria Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. And this brush, it says that it is actually retail for $35, and it's perfect for all hair types. The extended bristles offer easy detangling and reduce stress to the hair and scalp, which I love because I have curly hair. Me and my daughters have curly hair, and we do straighten our hair. And so whenever I do flat iron and straighten their hair and my hair, we always use these type of brushes to detangle them. So I'm excited to use this one to see how it works in our hair, and it's so cute. Like, I love the chrome on it, the color on it. Hopefully it doesn't chip off, because sometimes with these products, they, you know, this metallic stuff tends to chip off. So hopefully it doesn't do that. But this brush alone is $35, which is probably what you're going to be paying for the box itself. So you can basically, the cost of this brush is the cost of the box, and then you'll get like 8 to 9 other products. And it just gives you like tips in it on what to do. So that's the first thing that I got. Let me put that over here. Another thing that I got that I wasn't too excited about it because I'm kind of picky with jewelry, but they do give out jewelry in the FabFitFun boxes. Like I said, I'm not in particular with, I'm very particular about the jewelry that I like, and this style I don't like, but it's a cute necklace to have. I might use it as a gift to give to somebody. But they said that this costs actually $50, and this gorgeous double layered coin necklace features a detangling coin design on a gold color chain. So it's actually 2 necklaces in one. It's really pretty, but like I said, it's not my style, so I'll probably use this as a gift for someone, but it's a beautiful little thing that they sent me in this box. The next thing was this AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner Moisturizer, which I love anything for my hair that has to do with moisturize, you know, to keep it moisture, because like I said, me and my daughters, we have curly hair, and so we tend to keep the moisture in our hair. I know a lot of people try to get the oils out of their hair. No, we tend to try to keep the oils in our hair. So I love this for that, and so I can't wait to try this on all our hair. So they said that this is actually $24. And it's dealing with frizz or dry hair. Use this leave-on conditioner to moisturize and help smooth split ends. So I'm excited to use this. And all the products that I use, I will be updating you guys mostly on my Instagram, because it's just easier to do an Instagram story or to do an Instagram video to tell you guys about that. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram right now, or after you watch this video. It's my same name, Ria's World of Ideas, because I do tend to give a lot of tips on there that like really fast, really quick tips that I don't want to make a video on, but it's, you know, something I wanted to get out to you guys right then and there, fast and stuff. So definitely follow me on Instagram. I will give you updates on all these products, and a plus of tons and tons of more tips that have to do with the home and mommy, lifestyle, everything related. So the next product, my youngest daughter, who's 10, has already eyed it and already said she's going to steal it. And she does mostly steal a lot of my nail products and lip products. So this is called Winky Luxe Rainbow Balm, and it comes in a little box like this. And the cute thing about it is I love the way the packaging is. I'm like a sucker for packaging. That's why sometimes I buy things that I don't ever use, because I love the packaging. So like, I'm a sucker for packaging. But it has this, oh, it's about to flip out. It has this little silver cover to it, and when you open the lip balm itself, it's not one color, it's actually a rainbow of colors. It has a red, orange, and blue. And they say that this one is actually retail for $18, and it gives your lips a just been kissed flush of color with this tint and pH hybrid balm. So I think it's perfect for my 10-year-old, because it just gives you a little hint of color, but it moisturizes your lips and actually prevents it, you know, from the sun. So I like that, and my daughter tends to have dry lips and stuff like that, so I like stuff that she can have that gives her like a little bit of color, so she feels like she's wearing lipstick, but she's not, and then it just protects her lips. So this is going to be for her, and again, I will keep you updated on that to see how it works with her, but she's already been eyeing it, so I'm going to give it to her. The next thing that I got that I was super excited to get, because I'm all about the face. If you've been following my channel, I would spend more money on facial products than makeup, because I feel like when your canvas is nice, then your makeup will look better, because you gotta, you gotta fix your face first, and take care of your face, so that when you do add makeup, then it looks great. Or if you don't add makeup, it'll look great no matter what. So anything that has to do with the face and helping with aging, I'm all about that. And so when I saw this Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment, I was super excited to get it and try it. So this is actually worth $68, and this device basically stimulates collagen and elastin with this stimulate collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device. So it basically is supposed to help you with aging. It has a red light, an amber light, infrared light. It has a bunch of things. I think I'll go more into detail about this one because there's so many things that this can do. So I might go into it like a separate video, or probably do kind of like an Instagram video for it, tell you more details about this. But it's supposed to be a wrinkle treatment, which I need because, I'm in my 30s, hitting my 40s, and I need this. So I'm super excited to try this actually out. And I can't believe that they gave a product like this, and it comes with the batteries already, which is good. I like when anything comes with batteries. So I'm surprised that they gave something like this in the FabFitFun box, because I always think about makeup or beauty products. I never think about actual like facial treatment, equipment. So this was exciting for me, and so I'll keep you posted on that one. The next thing I got, which I'm actually wearing now, I'm super excited about it. I had to try it as soon as I got it, was a mascara, and it's from Wander Beauty. And this one actually looks different from any other mascara that I have, because the packaging is not like a regular tube. It actually looks like this, kind of like a serum kind of tube, but it doesn't come with a regular tube, and I couldn't wait to try this. Now, I normally don't spend a lot of money on mascara. This mascara itself costs $35. Because I feel like any mascara can kind of do the same thing, whether it's the drugstore mascara or high-end mascara. But mascara is one of those things that I never leave the house without wearing. Like if I go somewhere, even if I don't put a lot of makeup on, I always have to have my hoops, and I always have to have my mascara. That's just something that I have to have. And so I love when I can try new mascaras. So this one right here, this one's actually $26, sorry. $26, and it's the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Just one coat will give your lashes the volume and length that you desire, thanks to the precise bristles. Now that's the thing I would say that I love about this mascara, the wand. The wand about it is actually a skinny wand, and I love it because I love any wand that's actually skinnier, so that I can do my lower lash line, and then I can actually get in the inner corners of my lashes, because I like to get every lash when I do my mascara. And so I love the wand on this mascara itself. And like I said, at first I didn't think it was going to do a big difference. I put it on to try it. It looked like any of the mascara that I had. But I have to say that I actually got compliments at work with this mascara, because I was talking about getting fake lashes, and one of my co-workers was telling me the other day, I was talking to her, she was like, oh, I wanted to tell you the other day, like, I don't know why you're trying to get fake lashes, because you got long, beautiful lashes already, you don't need them. And I was like, really? And it's because I started wearing this mascara. So I didn't notice any difference, but I guess like my co-workers did. So I like this mascara for that, but I definitely like it for the brush. So if you ever want to try something, this one out of the whole box, I would have to say that this actually has given me compliments, and actually I can say I like it and it works. And it's $26. The next thing I got, which is a facial product, which I'm excited to try, is called the Wish Powerful Effect Naturals Blue Matcha Restoring Mask Antioxidant Rich Skin Balance. Like I said, I love facials, and I love to do things for my face. Let me see how this smells. It actually smells really good. Usually when I see like these green masks, they kind of have a weird smell to it, but this one smells so good. So this one costs, this one is $58. So this is even more than what the box will cost you. It's $58, and it says use this mask to purify stressed skin and even out the pH balance, which I definitely need, because as you guys know, I work at a school, and working with kids is very stressful, especially at the school I'm at, because we are a big school, and we keep getting more and more kids, and we're kind of more than what we more than what we thought we would have. And so working at a school can be very stressful. So thank your teachers aides that watch your kids, because we go through a lot teaching your kids nowadays. So this will be perfect for my stressed skin, so I can't wait to try it. Now, the last thing I got in my box, which I think is the last thing, I think so. Yes, it's the last thing, is this Tarte C Drink H2O Hydrating Boost. I think it's like basically just kind of like a moisturizer. And guys, first of all, I like the packaging. Look at this packaging. You guys, if you guys know me, besides this baby pink that I have in the background, this is like my favorite color. Any type of light blue, any type of teal blue, that is my favorite color. And like I said, I'm a sucker for packaging, so this already got me as it is. So I love the packaging. But guys, when I opened this the day when it came into the mail and I smelled this smells so good. The mask smells good, this smells good, and oh my god, like I wish I can people can oh my god, it smells so good. I wish people can see it, like, you know, smell it through the camera. It smells so good. So this one is, like I said, a moisturizer. I probably will wear this at night. And this actually cost, let's see, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink of the H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer leaves your skin smooth and refreshing with electrolytes packed hydration. And this is $39, guys. And I have to say that I've started to notice that our drugstore stuff, like our L'Oreal and our Garnier, they're starting to be just as pricey as the things that we would find at Ulta and at Sephora. So nowadays, sometimes the difference is between $5 to $10. So sometimes I'm like, you know what, let me go try the expensive products, because the drugstore ones are almost the same price as the expensive ones. So Tarte, I have tried different things in Tarte and I actually have liked them. So I'm excited to try this, and it smells so good. And again, the packaging had me already. Again, like I said, this one is, the cost of this is $39. Definitely the same price that you would pay for the box itself. You would get this. So I will keep you guys posted on this on my Instagram when I use it, as far as, and then everything else. So that's everything that I got from my spring box. I'm excited to try it because, again, like I tell you guys, I love things about the face. Everything is about, I love the face stuff. I love face stuff more than makeup, because I really don't know how to do my makeup, and I'm still trying to learn how to do makeup. It's kind of hard because I'll see videos and I'll try to do, you know, replicate it, and it just never comes out right. But facial things, I'm like, you know what, I can do facial things. I can't mess up facial things, and maybe I can make my natural face look more pretty, so that I don't have to wear so much makeup. So I'm excited to use all of that, and I will keep you guys posted. Now, the coupon code that I have that they gave me to give to you guys, so then I will have the link to the FabFitFun website down below, and the coupon code they gave me, which I'll also have it down below, is RIA'S World, and you will get $10 off your first box from them. So instead of paying $49.99, you will pay $39.99, which is cheaper than most of the products in here. It's like the same price as this, and it's cheaper than this. So you'll pay the price of what you would pay for one of these products, and then you'll get all these other products in the box as well. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried FabFitFun. What is your favorite things from FabFitFun? If you got your spring box, let me know what you got. The thing that I was trying to tell you guys that I wanted to get was the actual Tarte Glow and Contour Palette. I really wanted that one. And so now that I'll sign up with them, I'll be able to customize my packages. I'll be able to customize my box all the time. So now I'll be able to pick what I want the palettes, because the palettes are so pretty. So I'll be able to do that. But I am excited about the things that I got. So like I said, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have FabFitFun, if you guys tried it, what is your favorite thing from them. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.